Hey everybody, Spoonfed here, and the day has come, or the video has come, I don't know, I'm gonna upload it all on the same day anyway, that we're gonna make our very first script. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start up your Notepad++ if you have it, and otherwise get your normal Notepad out, so whichever one you prefer. I'm gonna do this one, and yeah, update selected, it's fine. Oh, Notepad, yeah, sure. Go for it. Very annoying. Okay, close. So we're gonna make our script. What are we gonna start with? Well, one of the things I said in the videos about was in the echo video was that we normally start with that. Why? Because we do not want all the commands to show up what we're gonna perform. We just don't. One of the cats of the neighbors is here again. His name is Heathcliff. Well, we call him Heathcliff. And he very much wants to be part of this household, but he cannot, sadly. But on with the script. So first thing we're gonna do is echo off. Next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna change the color to 0A. Why I'm gonna do 0A and not just color A? The reason for that is I don't know on every computer what the default background is, so that's why I'm gonna do 0A. So it will be black and green. Next up will be something new and something that I can only show you in batch scripts, which is this. And what it is actually in an anchor placement. So you will say this is a place where you can later on go to, which will be the literal command we are going to use. So what are we going to do exactly? Well, let's just do that. No, that's not correct. Sorry. That. What does that mean? Well, in the tree video, I said tree and then the path. This is the top path always, and F is also showing all the files. So it should be this command. No, totally forget. It should be that. Oh, yeah, sorry. So that's that. But the problem is, if all the files have been shown, it will stop. Now if we do this, go to and then say start, it will go back to start, and start is here, and then we'll go do tree again. Only I want to have a slight pause between the two tree commands. So I'm gonna do ping n3 127.0.0.1. No. Alright, let me explain this command because this is the most advanced command we have done yet, which looks scary but isn't. Okay, ping, we know, sends packages. The n is a counter, like how many packages should it send? Well, 3, because normally to 127.0.0.1, that's your local IP address. So that's your local card, whatever you use. 127.0.0.1 is always your local address, like your same card. So you're gonna ping yourself, and what it does is it will buy you some time. It will just execute the command, and then it will keep on going. And then it will start. Then it will go to start, and then it will start, and then it will do tree. So there's a slight pause between every tree command. The problem is if you do not add this, or if you're on XP, by the way, should be that, but you don't know which one it is, so I'm gonna make it for Windows Vista and 7. You don't wanna see the results of this, so you're gonna do that with this. This will literally say the results of this, put them into null, and null is just delete output. Otherwise it will look like, well, I can show you the difference, that's no problem. So this is our first script, which I said already does not do anything but looks pretty cool. We're gonna save it as, and I'm gonna go to my, alright, so you're gonna, there it is, a batch file. You can save it as a .bat, .command, or .nt. Well, we're gonna make it a .bat, and we're gonna make it look super cool. You're just gonna save. So as you can see here, that's why I use Notepad, because it's, well, easier to because it has like the high text like highlighting and stuff, that sort of stuff. So you can see that echo turns up because it's really like a command, and this is just a parameter you like pass on to it. Same goes for color. And here you can see start being like yellow, and here go to start be, and it will go to start, and then we'll see go to start again. That's not what I wanted. And then we'll go back, start, run this through until the end, see go to start, go again, start, and so on and so on and so on. So this is an eternal loop right here, unless it's broken off. So just gonna minimize this one, and here we're gonna run it, and this is all it does. Now as you can see here, the title will become whatever you're gonna call it, and then your original title, or the directory that you're in / the bat file that you ran. So we should change that as well, actually. Now as you can see, it will just go on and on and on and on and on which looks cool, but it would look even better if you do this. Now here you can see, no, it's not, still not finished. Let's see, we open up another one. Like so. And run this. Well, this next to each other looks pretty damn awesome, but as you can see, that's not what I want. Come here, you. They will just keep on going and 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 going. Here you can see the same, like command exit, and then you execute that one. So I'm just gonna stop both. And you say yes, terminate batch job, and yes, terminate batch job. Clear screen. Clear screen. I'm gonna add one thing extra. I'm gonna add a title. Like so. Now we get hacking your file system, and it will just show this one, and here the same. So this looks pretty cool, but maybe hacking file system is not a cool thing to have. Maybe it should be like deleting your file system. You could do that as well, but hacking your file system, it looks alright enough. Well, if you just do this, it will just go away and not leave any process running, so it's not like it's unescapable. But this is basically it. Now we're gonna make another script. We're gonna make another one. It starts the same. Echo off. Why? We don't want the results to show up. We're gonna do the same here. Color 0A. But then we're gonna do ping T and then whatever you want. Like if you want to screw them, do this. But if you're gonna do that, the next thing you will see is only like numbers. To make your script look more interesting, do this, and that's it, basically. So we're gonna save it, and we're gonna save this. We're gonna call this ping.bat. Oh no, not hacking Google. So, alright, so we have saved this one. I actually renamed this one. So I actually, yeah, something wrong. I renamed this to Google.bat, but it's the same. So start up your command prompt, run the first one, run the second one, and position like that, like sort of half-half. It's not really half-half, but well. Then we're gonna run another one, but this one will just stay here, and it will be the Google, which will do this. And I actually did this at my current job on somebody else's computer. Like the night that they were already gone, the next morning they were working early, and they called the IT department, and the IT department can like take over your computer, like to see what's going on, and it scared the crap out of them. It was so funny. And I hoped that they would come to me because they knew I had sat there last night, but I didn't. So what they literally said was, unplug the computer now, and we're coming with a new computer. That's what they were scared to death. So I had to call the IT to tell them it's nothing, you know, everything's fine. It's just something that I did. It was just a prank. His colleague could laugh about it. It said, well, it looked like the Matrix or something. And the other one that was stressed out was not really happy about it. So yeah. So do this at on your own risk, at your own risk. But it is pretty cool to do, to just mess with your IT department. One thing I'm missing is actually to have a cool title here as well, which will be nah, this is cooler. Now I'll restart it. Now it looks like this. And the reason why it is showing the ping, by the way, the reply in spite of where you turn echo off, same for tree, is every time you execute a command, it will usually go to like the C blah 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 blah, because that's the end of an echo, or that's the end of a command. Like change the air, the standard command is echo back where you are. that we turned off. So color is the same. If you execute color, it will just stay on the line because it, well, you know, it doesn't have a result that needs a new line. Nor does title need a new line, stuff like that. So, well, this is a cool thing to do, I think. And it's your first 2 scripts actually. It's not one that we made, it's 2. So have fun with this, and don't worry about like these packets are like 32 bytes. I mean, Google does, I think they will get a lot more per day, and I don't think this will like have an impact on it. I actually did the internal network there. So the thing was, I said hacking the internal network as in intranet. And I said, well, I knew it couldn't harm you because it's not like it will do a DDoS attack on it. It's only 32 bytes and stuff like that. And well, they were not too happy about it. But please do it at your own risk. If you really want to like mess with your IT department once, or you know that somebody's there who's gonna totally freak out. And no, I cannot say that because then I'll just be like the instigator of all of it. No, IT departments around the world. No, do this at your own risk if you feel the need to. Because I have to explain myself why I did this is because at my current work we were like sent all across the Rorschach indeed. We were sent all across the floor. You know, we don't have a regular spot to work from. There was a ping command here that showed up, which is weird. Yes, that's what I wanted to show you. You saw the, I don't know if I can show it to you by the way. Yeah, Rorschach. I'm gonna get you some food in a minute. Oh, of course I cannot see that now. Well, anyway, there was a ping command in between, and you see like 3 seconds. You see ping, and then your local address. I think I can show it to you here. Oh yeah, Rorschach. 1 second. Oh, that's not correct. You do this, or you do that. That's the difference between it. So the script is not really finished because it needs that. Why? Because then it will just wait 1 or 3 seconds. What is it? Like 1, 2, 3 seconds, and then it will go on, and it will not show you like the ping, reply, and then go on. So I almost missed that. But yeah, the reason why I did it was when we got sent all over the place and there was no steady job and it was unclear communication. I thought, well, I just need to do something back, so I did this. Have fun with these 2 scripts, and you can name them anything you want. You can even include this in something else, but I'll cover that another time, like how to start another file within this, and that will execute that file. I'm being attacked by a cuddling Rorschach. He just got up and about, and he thought, I need to cuddle. Okay. Have fun, and I hope you will enjoy this little like mini course in batch and scripting, and I will definitely do more. Don't worry, we will do more, and I'll give you a hint. If you do this command, then you'll see like this. You will see what like command you think you have in here. It says Microsoft Windows does copyright blah blah blah, and you have started a command prompt, as it were. So I'm just gonna exit out of that. But if you do this, you see how you can start a new command prompt with some stuff. We're gonna be using this, so also with messages and all, like makes a new command permanent, can't exit, that sort of stuff we're gonna be using. Another thing you can use is help, and I want to I'm gonna be using these two. So display all currently running tasks, including services, and kill or stop a running process or application. So that will be a hint to what is to come, and what we're gonna do. We're gonna do some very cool stuff. Well, here you can see already also start. So now start a separate window to run a specified program or command. You have another one. I cannot. Oh my God, Rorschach, you're so cute. What's another one? A mode. Well, this one's also this one's also cool to use. Formats a disk. Always nice to do. I'm gonna be using this one, and let's see that one. So yeah, we're gonna do a lot of stuff. We're also gonna make like we're not gonna do like evil stuff only. I mean the ones that I just talked about, that's pretty much for Spoonfed hacking. But like for Spoonfed Windows, I'm gonna use these two, for example, like to make a script that checks your disk and your files and stuff like that. And we're gonna make a very handy script that uses this one, a shutdown command, to like shut down the command from here, from a shortcut. We're just gonna use it to, well, have it above here, probably have a shutdown and a restart instead of going to start, shutdown, or start, restart. So yeah, that's for the future, and I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you, well, again soon, I think. Very soon. No, I'm just we'll see about it. Have fun with this, and see you for some more scripting in the future, and otherwise I have no idea what I'm gonna do in the meantime.